I got some more plants. So now let's open them. So this morning, I transferred some of my plants to Lekka. And let's see, I checked in on my tissue culture. Some of them are doing really well and some of them are not. I'll show you in a little bit. They even used cute paper. Well, looks a little sad in some of the leaves. Hopefully it'll do okay. I've got a couple of these already. One has root rot and I've been trying to save it. It's not going to be saved. The other one has pushed out 2 leaves that are not variegated and has no variegation on the new stem. Very disappointed. So this one's in nice chunky mix. It's buried a little deeper than I like to see them. I don't know if you can see that. We'll just let it sit under the lights on the shelf for a couple days. And then when I get back from the other office, I will repot it. It's got really nice roots though, check that out. Really nice roots. I want a really tall one of these. Like I want one that's 3 feet tall. That would be so awesome. This one came from Hawaii. I want like a 3 foot tall one of these too. Okay, they've got it in there nice and secure. I think this is the top based on how much it weighs. Ooh, I accidentally tore a leaf. I try to be so careful when I open these. Looks like there are plenty of other leaves though. Darn it. Look at that. Oh, there's my pretty torn leaf. Right there. Just gonna cut right across. Got some sad leaves in here. Okay, I gotta carefully cut into this without damaging any more leaves. This one is gonna be ready for a moss pole immediately. Fortunately, I have a moss pole coming. I have a few of them. Okay, this is scary. I'm gonna try to cut around here without cutting my plant. I think I succeeded. Look at that. Got some great aerial roots started and everything. And it looks like there are a few different plants in this pot, so that's cool too.